Good morning, everyone. On Sundays, I like to have a reset day just to get myself ready for the week ahead. This includes things like cleaning, but also taking care of myself and making myself more put together. After yoga, I get started with my morning routine, but on my reset days, I always make sure to do all of the extra self-care tasks. So, making sure I'm washing my hair, using a hair mask, shaving, all of that good stuff. Now that I'm feeling a little bit more put together, it's time to start all of the cleaning tasks. First up, I have to clean my yoga mat. I have this vegan suede yoga mat, so it gets a little bit dirtier, I'd say, than a regular mat. It's a little bit harder to clean, and I'm using this Febreze fabric spray to make sure that, it doesn't smell. But the vegan suede really helps it not be slippery during hot yoga, because the sweatier you get, the grippier it gets. Another big Sunday task is laundry. Now, honestly, you guys, I don't love laundry, but it's always best to get started with that in the mornings. Now, I've also got a ton of things just lying around my room, so I like to take a couple of minutes just to put everything away. It honestly never takes long, but immediately, the room's just completely clean. So on these reset days, like I said earlier, I like to do lots of cleaning things, but also lots of self-care activities, just getting myself put together. One of those things on my list today was to clean up my nails. I've been doing my own nails for the past few months, and I've actually been doing gel nail polish at home, and it's been honestly amazing. It is so much cheaper than going to the salon, and also, honestly, I haven't really ever had an amazing nail salon experience. The nail techs always cut my fingers up. The nail polish colors that I have are these really inexpensive ones from Amazon, and they're beautiful. They're like jelly nail kind of colors, so they're a little bit sheer, and they're perfect for French manicures or just that popular jelly nail look. I'll link the set that I bought down in the description. No, it's not good for me, but I still want your body. So dumb, but it's not over. Oh my gosh, honestly, they don't look that different. Same color and everything, but they just look so much neater, nice and shiny and clean. So back to cleaning. As you can tell by now, I like to kind of go back and forth so that I don't get too tired of one thing. And I just gave all of my furniture a quick little wipe down with a little spray. By the way, I feel like such a Southern mom when I say this, but I love Mrs. Meyer's. So good. And today was daylight savings, which got me feeling like spring, so I lit a spring candle. And by the way, a few days later, I'm recording this voice over now, and it's literally snowing outside. But this candle smells like spring, and it's amazing. Alright, laundry's all done. I didn't fold it today because I actually like to fold this during my workday as a little break or while listening into a meeting. At this point in the evening, I was just going to relax and do just some things that bring me joy. I worked a little bit on YouTube things, but then I did some online shopping, some YouTube watching, and a little bit of Pinterest browsing. All my favorite activities. Finally, to wrap up my reset day, I journaled for a little bit just to get my thoughts nice and straight and clear. I think that journaling really does help me anyway, get my priorities straight, figure out where I want to be headed in life, what I can do to, try to get closer to my dream self, my dream life, all that stuff. You're still stuck in my head. I'm not even There we go, that's the end of my Reset Sunday, and I really hope that this gave you some inspiration to have your own little reset day, get some stuff done that you've been wanting to do for a little while, as well as take care of yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!